This is CCTV after jetting. Clean out 3-inch clean out right next to that tree. We've eliminated 99% of the roots that were in the line. There's a big section of roots on the right hand of the screen. You see a little small root there. It used to be a full-grown section of roots combined with this little twig. This little twig has been worked on for a long time already, and it still doesn't want to come out. It's not going to be a problem to it, but if I continue the jetting, it might cause more damage to the pipe than to the root itself. So that's the best it will be done. We had another section of roots here. We had another section of roots here in this area. Pipe is open. And we had another section of roots here in this section. Other than that, the pipe looks good, looks great. There used to be a section of roots hanging from the top of the screen. That makes it the drop to the city. There's your city connection, and the line looks great.